Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to add header only on last page in iCloud pages. Let's get started. Open a pages document and go to last page and keep the cursor end of text before of the last page and create the section break. Go to tools menu and click the plus icon and choose the section break. Now go to document and section option, click the section and uncheck mark the match previous section. And now go to document option and check mark the header, add your own header text. Now check the header only have last page. Another page is header no have. If you check mark the match previous section, the header will be removed automatically because there have no header of the previous pages. Just uncheck mark the match previous section, just header added only last page. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.